Today at Coyote Classics, we're checking out something that's not quite a classic car, although it is about 14 years old. This is a 2010 Chevy Silverado. This truck belonged to my younger brother, the owner of the company's son. He had it for about 3 years. Always been a good truck for him, but he's going to college, and with a truck with a 6-inch lift on it, doesn't quite fit well down in the big city, so we're putting it up on the website for sale. Good solid truck. Biggest thing with it is original paint, so you got some rock chips, things like that. Runs great. Like I said, you got a lot of little chips in front of the hood, and then when we go to the back, a lot of rock chips there as well. Headlight and grill look good. Just a couple of years ago, I think about 2 years now, he put a brand new lift kit on it, had it all powder coated and painted. Bought some really high dollar forged wheels and tires. I think by the time he got done at the truck shop, you know, he had about $13,000 invested in the lift, wheels, tires, and then he put in new radio, speakers, and subs as well. Everything's up good. Down along the bottom of the rocker, you got a lot of little chips and nicks, but cab corners are really good and solid. No rust there. Back glass is good. Bed's in good shape. And so is the box sides. Get a lot of little rock chips. Frame's really solid. Anytime you got a, truck with bare metal exposed, you're gonna get some of that orange kind of surface rust, but the frame's really solid. Rockers are solid. It's got a little door ding up there in front of the driver's door handle, very small. He did also add dual exhaust, sounds great. Keep that at idle, sounds really good when it's revved up as well. There's a small ding in the bumper, and this is kind of unattached, this plastic here. It's still attached up here, but small ding and that there. Driver's side's nice and straight. And just kind of the same thing on this side. A lot of rock chips. Don't see really any rust or bubbles around the cab corner, maybe a couple small ones here. Cab corners are good. Around the box side looks good. Again, a lot of rock chips. But runs and drives good. AC blows cold. We'll take it down the road here in a second. Front tires have, are a little worn, but still have some good tread on them. Back tires, same way. I'm guessing about 50%. So on the interior, really solid doors. Door panels are in good shape. You do have a small rip here on the driver's seat. He always had seat covers over top of these, so they stayed in good shape. Passenger seat's in real good shape. Dash looks good. He's got this touchscreen radio. It's got Bluetooth, aux, charge your phone from it, all that good stuff. Odometer reads 133,448 miles. No check engine lights are on. Hasn't had any mechanical problems with it. Carpet's in good shape. Back seat's nice as well. Headliner's good. A lot of times they'll get little water spots and stuff on the headliner. This one doesn't have any. Back door panel's in good shape. Like I mentioned, the AC blows ice cold. Everything works on it. It's got the, you can fold this up or have it down as an armrest. With the new radio, he's also got the mic in there where if you hook up your phone to it, you can talk without having to hold your phone. And even with, like I said, I drove this truck quite a few times while he had it, but even with the lift kit, it rides and drives really nice. Hell, it rides better than my 17 Chevy, which I was kind of surprised by, being that it's lifted and has different, bigger wheels on it. But Dual exhaust sounds good. Tach speedometer, all that work. Brakes are great. All your power windows work. I think we did just do a new regulator not too long ago in the driver's side window, so that works great now. Kick down works. It goes down the road good. Your cruise works as well. It's got 4-wheel drive. I'm trying to think what else there really is with this truck, but overall just a good solid truck, priced right and ready to go. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.